we're here at the Nina Torres Art Gallery for the Splash of Style Designer Meet and Greet in downtown Miami. I'm here with Julie and Tatiana from Vigo Swimwear. Ladies, it's your first time in Miami. How are you enjoying yourselves?
We love Miami and we're loving it here. It's the capital of swimsuits and I think this is exactly where we should be.
How about you,
We
Tatiana?
belong here. Miami is exactly where we need to be, and this is why Vigo is taking over Miami.
What's your favorite piece from the collection? Is there anything specific we should keep our eye out for?
I personally love the bandita line. The black leather is so edgy, it's absolutely me. My favorite is some of the new stuff that's coming out. So we're mixing some of the mesh with the black leather, and I think it's beautiful. It does a little peekaboo effect, and I think it's so gorgeous. It's a complete tease, and I think everyone's gonna love it.
Ben, why don't you tell us how it feels to be in Miami for your first time?
It feels amazing. I'm actually a bit disappointed that I didn't come here a lot earlier.
What should we check out for this Friday?
So this Friday, definitely one of my favorite school bags. I just finished that. It's part of my collection. I'm gonna show you guys a couple different colors that I did. I have travel bags, my duffel bags that I just finished. I'm gonna put that on the runway as well. I'm putting together some long dress shirts, kind of dress for female. So I'm putting some denim, some trench coats. So I just want to give them the overall, high-end casual, different type of style, different look.
I'm with DJ Fizza.
Hey guys, how you doing?
How does it feel to be playing for Fashion Week?
You know what, it's a great honor. I played for Fashion Week in different cities around the world. And so this is my first time doing Fashion Week in Miami, so I'm really excited about it.
And how does Miami differ from other cities?
Compared to New York, Toronto, the vibe here is just really sexy. And you have to be here to feel the energy. It's just a very laid back, sexy vibe. Everyone knows Miami has the most beautiful people, so it's just a great vibe and it's great to be here.
What's the inspiration behind your designs?
The inspiration behind the designs is mixing old plus new to create new next level fashion that nobody has ever seen or heard from before in their life. And that's what the inspiration comes from. It comes from the vision and the dream from the team.
Gina, why don't you tell me how it feels to debut your Vigo collection here in the United States?
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's my first time in the United States and Miami, so it's going to be incredible. I can't wait.
Why don't you tell me about the Vigo men's collection that we'll be seeing Friday night?
Well, I combined men with art. So I made a men's line called Vigo, which is fashionable art that you can wear.
Where can we find your collection?
Oh, check out my website, Vigo, Viggo, fashion.com.
You heard it, VIGGOfashion.com. We're here with Erin, owner of Splits Art. Erin, tell us about this creation you just made.
Well, I'm here at Nina Torres Gallery, and as you can see, I use my body as my paintbrush and do yoga, contortion, and dance on the canvas to create my unique style of painting. So tonight, I wanted to do a piece that would represent a bit of South Florida as well. This piece will be supporting the charity Ecomb. So I wanted to do something that related to keeping our oceans and community and parks clean and green. So I did a beautiful sea turtle.
I'm here with Nina Torres and Federico Hauseman. Nina, why don't you tell me, how did you meet Federico?
This exhibition is a collaboration from the Nina Torres Fine Art Gallery and the Hauseman Gallery in Italy. And our relation started like a year ago when Raptus came to the Miami River Art Fair, and he created one of the public art, which is right now on the banks of the river at the James L. Knight Center.
My gallery was opened in '61 by my grandfather. I'm the third generation. I'm continuing the family tradition with my sister, and I'm really interested in street art and graffiti, and I'm really honored to be with Nina Torres.
It's a great honor to have Raptus and Poesia.
We'll be right back with more Splash of Style here on the Beach Channel.